Hey, it's me, Garrett, and we're on the Crown Princess. And we're all way up on Baja Deck 11, and this is B734. It's near the back of the ship. And has a closet, plenty of hangers, big shelf. It's got one of these safes. Lots of shelves there and a cabinet. Let's go in the bathroom. Got a shower. Remember, these have clotheslines. They hook up there, supposed to retract. So water pressure is the top knob on here, and temperature is the bottom knob, and the numbers, I don't know if you can barely read those. I think that says 35, but they're worn off. This button it's got a lock on it so you don't get too hot, but on this one it doesn't work. Pretty standard shower. Remember, there's a clothesline in pretty much every cruise ship shower, and stuff will really dry off here quick, as long as you don't run the shower. Not a removable head. It is adjustable, and you can turn it, aim it. I don't think it'll break off. Shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. So that's a shower and a shower curtain, right? Outlet for your razor, shaver, hand soap, lotion, sink. Pretty standard. It's got one of these too. All right, so big TV, nightstand, the outlets behind the bed, 2 nightstands, no USB ports on either nightstand. The outlets behind the bed are European. And this is the kind of outlet it is. You see that? So I'm thinking that's European. And you would have to unplug this lamp to plug anything into it. So remember that. Couple drawers here. Couple shelves. Phone. Blow dryer mounted to the wall. Oh, another one of these. TV, we'll talk about the TV. Princess TVs have a lot of stuff. They've got videos about
Let me take you to some of the most beautiful destinations.
The ports. They've got dining reservations, the wake show, that's the cruise director show each morning. Highlights, prizes, things you can buy, obviously. Videos from television, how to connect, weather, location. Well, you can see. I'm not going to go through them all. I just want to show you movies and TV. So there's all these movies, and then you can go down, and of course these go, over. It even has Alaska movies, because this is an Alaska cruise. Action, comedy, back to the 80s, and so on. If we go back over, live TV, that's it. You're seeing it all. That's the bridge cam down there. So, but live TV is lacking on pretty much every cruise ship, right? TV series. So you've got, of course, Love Boat, Modern Family, New Girl, Simpsons, and it's only 15, 20 episodes of each. It's not all of them. Even Love Boat is not all of them, I don't think. Season 7. See, there's only season 7. Surely was more than 5 episodes, right? Refrigerator stays pretty cold, but not real cold, although there's a temperature setting down there, so maybe you can adjust it. Sometimes these TVs have another outlet in the back of them. right? Because it's a duplex outlet. And that's a US outlet. Also, a lot of people like to know what's here. So I see HDMI. I don't know, though, on the remote, whether you can select. See, sometimes they block that stuff out of the remotes. And it looks like this one, but I don't know. And a balcony. And that door slides nice. So 2 reclining chairs, a little wooden table. They look almost new. And 2 footstools, ottomans. We're in the port of San Francisco today. And you know, it's turnaround day, it's disembarkation. Some people are already off the ship, it looks like. So this is about 5 feet wide, if you want a number. Little piece of artwork there, big mirror over the bed. Of course, the thermostat, no numbers. So, anyway, so from the Crown Princess and cabin Baja 734, I'm Gareth, and I'll see you in the next port. And I look creepy, don't I? How's that? Bye. They just love to fight. And play. And make noise. Look at this. It's like an orgy. Oh, that one took a dump. And the seagull's gonna eat it.